Good morning, students. We shall start a lesson with a new topic called organ system in animals. So, organ system and organs have been appeared from the phylum Platyhelminthes and continues till the mammals. So, in this chapter, we shall learn about the structure and functions of the various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive systems in human. So, let's start the topic with organ system, that is human organ system. So human organ system you might have learned in the previous classes or in your lower classes. So first we shall start with the digestive system. So digestive system, it starts from the mouth and ends in the anus. So there are various actions and functions with the help of some enzymes and gland secretions or hormones for this digestion. So first we shall start how the food we eat is converted into the wanted material or simple substance. The food we eat contains not only simple substance like vitamins and minerals but also complex substance such as carbohydrates, protein and fats. The body cannot use this complex substance unless they are converted into simple substance. The five stages or the five steps in conversion of nutrition process involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. These are the process which has to be done by the digestive tract. So when we say about digestive tract, it consists of two sets of organs, and one is called as the alimentary canal or alimentary structure, and the next one is called as the digestive glands. So digestive along with the digestive gland, the alimentary canals do the certain functions. So let's start with alimentary canal. So when we say about alimentary canal, the action is done by with various enzymes which is secreted in the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is a muscular coiled tubular structure and it consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. When we say about small intestine, it consists of duodenum, jejunum and ileum, and large intestine consists of cecum, colon and rectum, and finally the digestive tract ends in anus. Now let's start our topic with mouth. So mouth, when we say about the mouth, it is a buccal cavity and it leads into the buccal cavity and it is found of two soft structures, that is movable upper and lower lips. The buccal cavity is a larger space bounded up by the palate, then below by the throat, and on the side by the jaws. The jaws bears the teeth. Now let's see about the teeth. What is teeth? So what are the uses of teeth? Yes, teeth are used in grinding the food material. So, teeth is a hard structure meant for holding, cutting, grinding, and crushing the foods. In human being, two sets of teeth has been noted in their lifetime. So, it is called as diplotine or diplotont. So the first appearing teeth, that is only the 20 sets of teeth or 20 teeth, is called as the temporary teeth or milk teeth, and the permanent teeth appears in the second set, that is called as the permanent teeth. So it consists of 32 teeth. So each tooth has fitted inside the gums of the lower jaws and upper jaws. So when we say about the permanent teeth, it is having four different types. So it is termed as heterodont. According to the structures, they are called as incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. So when we say about the teeth, dental formula, it appears according to the number of the different types of teeth. So for milk teeth, it has only 20 teeth, whereas permanent teeth has 32 teeth. So next, let's see about the salivary gland. So what is present here? So salivary gland is present in the mouth cavity. There are three pairs of salivary gland present in the mouth cavity. They are parotid gland, sublingual gland and submaxillary gland. So when we say about parotid glands, are the largest salivary glands which lies in the cheek, in front of the ears. And next comes the sublingual gland. It is the smallest gland lies beneath the tongue. Then submaxillary gland, which lies in the angles of the lower jaws. So what does it do? The salivary gland secrete a viscous fluid called as the saliva. So this you might have been noted. So when you talk or eat, some saliva is secreted in your mouth. So approximately 1 to 5 or 1.5 liters per day is secreted in our mouth. So it digests the starch by the actions of the enzymes called as the ptyalin, and in the saliva it converts into starch. Okay, the enzyme's action is also noted in the saliva, that the enzyme name is called as a ptyalin. So it converts the starch into maltose. The saliva contains an antibacterial enzyme called as a lysozyme. Next, let's see about the tongue. The tongue is a when we say about the tongue is a muscular sensory organ which helps in mixing the food with the saliva. The taste buds in the tongue helps to recognize the taste of the food. The masticated food in the buccal cavity became a bolus which is rolled by the tongue and passed into the pharynx, into the esophagus by the swallowing. So, with the help of the tongue only, it has been rolled and moved inward through the pharynx into the esophagus by swallowing. During swallowing, the epiglottis, that is the muscular flap-like structures which is present at the tip of the beginning of the trachea, which closes and prevents the food from entering into the windpipe. So the same route has been noted for the respiratory tract and digestive tract. To avoid food following or food flow into the respiratory tract, a special structure is noted that is called as the epiglottis. So that's all about tongue. So in this lesson we have seen about digestive tract. Digestive tract we have seen alimentary canal. So alimentary canal start with the mouth, then the teeth, then salivary glands and tongue. So remaining we shall see in the next class. Thank you, students.